Advance Your Wellbeing is excited to be launching our new bite-sized e-learning courses. We appreciate that your time is precious, so we've condensed our face-to-face training courses into an easy-to-use online alternative. E-learning is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. 25% of employees leave their jobs due to lack of learning and training opportunities. Therefore, e-learning gives your businesses an affordable training option that offers fantastic value for money. Advance Your Wellbeing helps individuals and organisations improve their well-being through interpersonal skills training. Our areas of expertise are in personal development, business development and personal well-being. We have chosen Nimble to partner with as part of our e-learning offering because they offer easy manageable learning management systems. We are now going to show you what the course will look like once your business has enrolled you. The image you're now seeing on your screen is your login. Your e-learning administrator would have contacted you to provide you with the details you need to launch your course. All of Advance Your Wellbeing's e-learning courses will hold a comprehensive course instruction guide. This will take you through step by step on how to get started, how to use your online e-learning platform, explain how you can navigate through the course's activities, and finally, how to complete your course assessment. Here you can see a typical layout from our Emotional Intelligence e-learning course. Each training topic will provide a comprehensive introduction into your new course. We try to accommodate different people's learning styles within our courses. Therefore, you will find a combination of content, from reading materials, activities, videos, and data. Each of our e-learning courses requires you to complete an online assessment. This will consist of a number of questions that you're required to answer. This can vary dependent on the course that you're completing. You will need to achieve an 80% pass rate in order for you to pass the course. You are able to dip into your course at any stage prior to commencing your assessment. This will enable you to access your course at any time that is convenient for you. Thanks for watching our explainer video on our new e-learning courses. If you'd like to learn more or know how you can enrol, contact us on 075 83 47 4539 or visit our website to find out what courses we offer at www.advanceyourwellbeing.co.uk, and we look forward to starting the conversation.